Here we go down the Boulder boat ramp. This ramp here is where we used to have boats go flying down, ready to go into the lake. But as you can see, being a Memorial Day weekend where nobody comes out, it's quite amazing. This is the boat landing. So, as you can see, it only goes down to this far, and that's it. So, it's closed.
And we'd be in the water.
See what's over there. Here's where you boated. It's amazing how far down it is, the end of the boat landing. Whoa.
It dried up, Kevin.
It comes down
That was
again.
it. This is where I was going to kayak. This was all water.
When you were here in March?
And 3 months ago.
Oh, wow.
I have pictures. I'll show it to you.
Wow.
Because I figure I could right here and it would drop in.
Yeah.
Right here. And see, you can't go out there into the lake anymore because the land filled in.
Yeah.
But all this was underwater.
Wow. Right to the end.
You couldn't see that. I mean, I have to show you the pictures.
Yeah.
But this was going to be it.
And it's all...
This is the spot I was most excited about.
to take your kayak down.
See where they took the harbor? See this dock?
Yeah.
It used to go into the water.